Hello, how do you analyze stocks for swing trading if you are using long uptrend and swing trading strategy? You can swing trade on daily chart. You can use maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart, or you can use both, going back and forth between them. We have Thinkorswim, a platform open to analyze the stocks chart, and the next one we'll analyze is NDAQ. So on 1 year daily chart, we can see the trend line we like to buy at, and our long uptrend line are colored on purple. Those are our entry point. They pass by the lows of the chart, and right now the stocks is far from it. Yesterday the price went up. If we go to maximum daily chart, we can see the two trend line that we like to buy at passing by the valley of the mountain at the bottom of the mountain, and right now one mountain side is created and has not started going down quite yet, or climbing down the mountain yet. The next one is NVDA, and we purchased NVDA. We have not sold it yet. We have our trend lines. We bought it and it pulled back, went up and pulled back and start going up again. So if we go to 1 year daily, 1 year daily chart, we can see where we bought it. The arrows facing up shows us where we bought it. The arrows facing down shows where we sold it. So we bought it there and we sold it there. We bought it again, it went up, pulled back, went up and pulled back and start going up. We have a little bit of profit there, but we like to see it reach a new high. So the next one is NVR, and we purchased NVR as well. And NVR, we purchased it there, and the price pulled back, reached our trend line, long trend line, pulled back and went below it and started creating an uptrend there. But yeah, we have some in the portfolio. ORLY, and excuse me, we have two trend lines here to buy at, but right now it seems to be following this trend line. And yesterday the price went up. If we go to maximum daily chart, we can see the trend line passing by the valleys, and right now we have one side of the mountain climb up and it's not ready to climb down yet. The next one is PCAR. We do have PCAR in our portfolio. That we have not sold yet. And we like to buy it next time at this trend line. It pulled back to it, not too close, and start going up from there. If we go to 1 year trend line, 1 year daily chart, we can see clearly where we bought it before and we have not sold it. It pulled back to the trend line, long trend line, and went from it, pulled back a little bit closer and start going up from here. We do have a pullback yesterday, but yeah, it's moving around it. The next one is PG. So PG, we like to buy at this trend line, but it's not quite close to it yet. And we can go to maximum daily chart to have a further view from it. We can see that it's going down, but it's just not quite close to it yet. And if we trace another trend line to come close to where it is right now, it's just not too far from here, and it just didn't have much of a touch base. But whatever that trend line is, it's not too far from this one, so we like just to hold on to this one. The next one is PGR. And PGR, we have two trend lines to follow it, and right now it is at one of them. We are going to go to 1 year daily chart to see what is doing. So we are having a higher it pulled back to it. We are having lower lows, but this is higher than this, but we are not seeing a green bar yet. So we just want to see a few more higher lows around this trend line before we buy. So the next one is PH. So PH, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now is going up. Yesterday the price went up, and but hold on, I think we bought it and we have not sold it. So we bought it, the price went up and pulled back, and now start going up. So we can see the maximum daily chart to see, you know, how it is. But yeah, we do have this trend line that is following right now, and that will just be okay. So it went up, pulled back to it, went up and pulled back to it. So but we just prefer to wait at this one, otherwise this could be another trend line as well, because it's more than 1 year. And yeah, but it can make a wide mountain though, so we don't know. That's why it's doing here. If that's the case, waiting at the valley might be a good idea. As we continue watching it, we will see the pattern shaping itself. PWR, we like to buy at those two trend lines, but right now is going up, following this trend line, going up, and it reached a new high yesterday. On 1 year daily chart we can see, yeah, it reached a new high yesterday. But yeah, so the next one is ROL. ROL, we like to buy at this trend line, and it pulled back not too close to it and start going up from there. If we go to maximum daily chart, we can see, you know, it does have those yeah, jagged chart. So but yeah, we can just keep looking. The next one is Rose. Rose, we purchased it this year. We like to buy at this one or this one, and if let's go to 1 year daily chart, and at this trend line it went up, pulled back, and we bought it, but then it pulled back further down. So maybe it wanted to come back down closer to it, but it's there. And yesterday the price went up, but still below what we pay for it. So the next one is RPM. RPM, we like to buy at this trend line, but right now we bought it there, the price dropped, and pull back to the trend line that we like to buy at and start going up from there. We have higher lows here, so that is, you can still buy if you want to buy. It's not too far from the trend line yet, and since somewhere here we have been thinking about, yes, that's a good entry point, but because we have it in our portfolio, we are not going to buy it again. But yeah, it could be a buy, and it's still not too far. It pulled back here the day before and went up today, so yeah, it's still a good buy. It's not quite too far. It's just making higher lows around that area, but eventually it's going to move away from that area, going higher up. So RPM, yeah, is one that can be picked to be purchased, but because we already have in our portfolio, we are not going to make it red. The next one is RSG. We purchased it this year, and we purchased it there, and it's making a higher lows around the trend line. Yesterday it pulled back. It's not too far from the high though. We'll see. If we go to maximum or daily chart, you can see the trend line that we buy at, where it originated from. We have two of them and prefer to enter there, which is still like one side of the mountain if it's going to be making a wide mountain, but I don't know, it could be there or here, but it seems to lean there and start going up from there. Therefore we buy. So it's good to choose the trend line you like to buy at, and you can choose more than one trend line so that you can just observe the price as it's coming close to it, either one of those lines that you pick. SO is the next one, and SO we like to buy at this trend line, but right now is higher up. If we go to 1 year daily chart, we can see what it's doing closer. Yesterday the price went up, but yeah, it seems to be resting at this resistant line. But SPGI, but it's still far from where we like to buy. So SPGI, what we like to buy is not showing up, but it seems to be following this trend line. Yesterday the price went up. If we go to maximum daily chart, we'll be able to see our trend line that we like to buy at, but right now is following there. It seems like we could be able to trace this trend line here, and that will blend into the one we have there. And I would say it seems to be following this trend line at the moment, but we just prefer to wait since it's obvious that it does make those big mountain. It could be we are on one side of the mountain. It might decide to pull back before making the mountain again. We don't know, so we'll just keep observing it. The next one is SYK. So SYK, we like to buy at either one of those trend line nests, but for the moment we bought it and the price dropped on us and now start going up. It used this trend line as a support line, it used that trend line for support and start going up. If we go to 1 year daily chart, we bought it there and it took like, we bought it, if you look at the price on the x-axis, we bought it in November, mid-November, and it's like 2 months ago the price dropped, and it's now that it start going up after 2 full months. Therefore I like to just wait for that to reach the next high and we can sell it. So this concludes this portion of the chart analysis. We will continue the analysis in the next video. For all the links to the videos related to this chart analysis of January 22nd, 2025, will you please check the links in the description of this video. The playlist to those videos will be in the description as well. For our option and swing trading strategy, we use green price bar on our chart, and we use the red price bar. So we pay attention to those colors, and the green bar just means the price in the morning was lower than the price in the evening, and the red bar just means in the morning when the market opened, the price was higher than the price in the evening when the market closed, so the price dropped that day. And as a swing trader, you swing trade on daily chart. It's okay to swing trade on daily chart, and you use maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart for your chart analysis to buy stocks and to sell stocks. And it's good to determine your trend line that you like to buy at, and those trend lines, they are upward, they are support line, they pass by the lows of the chart, and that's where you enter when you know, and then you will decide where to sell at the resistant line, at the next resistant line. So it's good for the upwards for this strategy to select upward stocks good enough to be in your watch list, and you trace your option lines out in purple. And when you start having few higher lows around that trend line, you can buy at a first or second green bar after a pullback. And once you have the stocks in your portfolio, you can start thinking about an exit plan. You can use either the next high or 10% of what you pay for the stocks, including any brokerage fee you might pay when you sell, or just 10% of what you pay for the stock. But just make sure that 10% will be able to pay for your brokerage fee, and you'll be able to have some profit less, and just grow your account $1 at a time. You can start small, like $300 per trade or even less, or you can try just one share. Even if that's one share is less than $300, just aim for 10% return on that, how much you pay for the stock. And as long as it can pay for the brokerage fee and or the next high after you purchase it, and you just sell a lock in that profit and repeat the process. Thank you. For our swing trading playlist, will you please check the links in the description on how to create your watch list or how we create it. We have a playlist dedicated for those videos. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and ninasoap.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Thank you.